In this video, I will show you how to streamline your workflow by using Claude to manage your projects directly inside Notion. This integration is a complete game changer because it allows you to turn a simple brain dump into a perfectly structured project page without any manual copying or pasting. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Claude chat bar and look for the plus icon. When you click that, you will see a list of available tools and integrations. You must ensure that you turn the Notion tool to the on position. This gives the artificial intelligence permission to communicate with your workspace and create new entries on your behalf. Once the connection is active, you are ready to start prompting. I recommend gathering all your raw thoughts, project goals, and specific details first. You can just paste this messy information directly into the chat. Then, you will give Claude a very specific instruction. Tell the AI to create a new page in your specific Notion projects database and give it a clear title. To make sure the page is actually useful, ask Claude to format it with specific headers such as project scope, milestone deadlines, deliverables, and a comprehensive action item list. As soon as you hit enter, Claude will process your request and build out the entire page structure for you instantly. When you check your Notion workspace, you will find a beautifully organized project dashboard that is ready for you to start working on immediately. This method saves you so much time that would otherwise be spent setting up layouts and manually typing out tasks. It allows you to focus on the actual work instead of the administration. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and productive with your next big idea. Try it out today and see how much faster your planning process becomes.